Making brown rice at home is simple and requires just a few basic steps. Brown rice takes a little longer to cook than white rice, but the result is a chewy, nutty flavored grain that's packed with fiber and nutrients. Here's a basic method to cook it on the stove. Ingredients: 1 cup brown rice to and a half cups water or broth. For more flavor, pinch of salt. Optional instructions. Rinse the rice. Rinse the brown rice under cold water using a fine mesh strainer to remove any excess starch. This step is optional but can help reduce stickiness. Boil water. In a medium saucepan, bring 2.5 cups of water or broth to a boil. Add rice and salt. Add the rinsed brown rice and a pinch of salt if using to the boiling water. Stir once to make sure the rice is evenly distributed. Simmer the rice. Once the water comes back to a boil, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot with a lid and simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. Do not lift the lid during cooking, as the steam is needed to cook the rice evenly. Let it rest. After the rice has absorbed all the water, remove the pot from heat. Keep it covered and let the rice rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This step allows the rice to firm up and finish cooking in its own steam. Fluff and serve. Use a fork to fluff the rice gently. Serve immediately or store for later use. Tips: cooking time. Brown rice typically takes longer to cook than white rice because the bran layer remains intact. If you're using a different type of brown rice, for example, short grain or quick cooking, check the package for specific cooking times. Rice cooker or instant pot. You can also cook brown rice in a rice cooker or an instant pot. For a rice cooker, use the same ratio of water to rice and follow the manufacturer's instructions. In an instant pot, cook on high pressure for 22 to 24 minutes and then allow for a natural release. Enjoy your brown rice as a base for stir fries, grain bowls, or as a side dish to complement your favorite main course.